In this video, we'll look at how to check if WP Rocket is caching your site. You've installed and activated WP Rocket, and now you want to make sure it's working on your site. Watch this video to learn how to check if WP Rocket is caching and optimizing your pages. Before we begin, make sure you open your website using a private or incognito browser window. The easiest way to see if WP Rocket is running on your site is by looking for the caching footprint. Open the source view of the page and scroll to the bottom. At the very end, you should see an entry like this. If you can see this footprint, WP Rocket is running. WP Rocket also inserts a meta tag with information about the optimization running on the page. Seeing this meta tag also means WP Rocket is enabled. When the minified CSS files and minified JavaScript files options are active, the CSS and JavaScript files will be served from the cache folder. Assets that have been minified by WP Rocket will contain cache min in their URLs. This is yet another way to confirm that WP Rocket worked on a page. Lastly, if you've enabled WP Rocket's key optimizations, which we highly recommend, you can find them in the source code as well. For example, the delayed JavaScript execution feature will add the Rocket lazy load script attribute to the scripts. And removed use CSS will insert the WPR use CSS block into the pages. These types of changes in the HTML will also confirm that WP Rocket's optimizations are working as expected. If you tried all these methods and you still think WP Rocket is not caching your site, you can use the troubleshooting steps in our pages are not cached or optimizations are not working guide. But if you get stuck or need further help, please open a support ticket and our Rocketeers will jump in.